Allow me to start with this trivia. 700 years ago, a set of farmers in the Scandinavia discovered a very interesting way of differentiating their cattle livestock from other farmers. What they did was they burnt the skin of their cattle with a particular symbol. And this was the first known form of branding known to mankind ever. In fact, the word brand literally means to burn in a North German language. And as we know the word today, branding, 700 years hence. It may also be of interest to you to know the oldest known brand to the human race. What's interesting is that this brand has been in continuous usage. You know how many years? 3,000 years. What's more interesting is that this is an Indian brand. Unless you've already guessed it, the brand's name is Chyawanprash. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, make no mistake, this is not a product name. This is a brand name. It was invented, or rather innovated, in 1100 before Christ, BC, by Ashwini brothers. They were the Raj Vaidya, the royal doctors of the Ayurveda period. And that's when they invented it, and as we know it today, it is officially recognized as the oldest continuously used brand known to mankind. So ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to Asia Brand Conclave 2015. This is a brainchild of a leading conglomerate, VWP World Brands, a team that comprises insightful thinkers and passionate doers. And now I'd like to call up on stage my friend, managing editor, very dynamic, of VWP World Brands, Mr. Partho Sarathy Lahiri, on the stage, please.
A very good evening. So it's about time for Asia, Brand Asia, to announce, to declare, move over world. India has the right, and Asia has a right too. IT and ITs are the staple, as a lot of global brands, a lot of global organizations setting up their manufacturing and remote processing centers here. Cheap labor, hard-working mindset, immense talent, and of course, a burning desire to succeed is making this part of the world sleepless. This brings us to India. India is probably the biggest market in this part of the world, with immense buying power. People have the money and they're spending it, and they're spending it in abundance. We have the manufacturing hub for most luxury fashion brands. IT and ITs are booming. Medical tourism has been on the upswing. Even a lot of visual effect work from the Hollywood blockbusters are being designed in our shores. Commendable, isn't it? So the collective chorus of this region sounds something like this. You can love us, you can hate us, but you can't ignore us. Sincerely yours, Asia. However, not all the heroes and the brands are appreciated every night. And this is where we come in. One of the few brand evaluation companies in the world, VWP World Brands, where merit prevails over everything else. Admired Brands of Asia and Admired Brands of India are a small initiative towards that direction. This platform has been specifically designed and conceptualized to celebrate the spirit of Brand Asia, particularly Southeastern Asian countries, UAE, and India. So without wasting any further time, ladies and gentlemen, let's join hands to celebrate the spirit of Brand India, Brand Asia, and some phenomenal leadership behind it tonight. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome our guest of honor, Sri Ram Jethmalani ji, who's here with us. With a big applause, sir, we thank you for coming over and we welcome you here at Asia Brand Conclave.
I wish the world was a world of sport. Sport ultimately means fun, laughter, excitement. These are three qualities which really make life worth living. But is it the real state of the world? It is not. Today, instead of laughter, you find hatred. Instead of peace, you find terrorism. And instead of public service, you find corruption and greediness. Now, all these are things which the corporate world has to take care of. But what bothers me today more than anything else, that the corporate world really needs some kind of Darwinism in the practice of your business operations. I am one of those who believes that there should be the Adam Smith's free market. There should be the invisible hand of the free market rather than the visible hand of the politician and the corrupt people who rule us. So my friends, I think you should apply your mind in this VWP of yours. I am very happy to be here with you, and thank you so much.
I would now like to call upon stage Mr. Sandeep Marwa, Chairman and Managing Director, Marwa Film Studio.
Thank you so much. Good evening, my Honorable Sir Jethmalani Sahab, distinguished guest, awardees. Well, I have not seen God, that's for sure. And when I checked with my parents, they said even they have not seen God. When I checked up with my grandparents, they said, oh, even we haven't seen God yet. And then I came to the conclusion that who is God? God, G-O-D, which means a hidden power, an energy which can generate, which can operate, and which can destroy. The best part is that Almighty, that hidden power, has given all those energies to every human being possible on earth, and He has given us a wonderful opportunity to use all that power to create, to be innovative, to be called, to do some discoveries, to do some inventions. And I'm very happy that today I'm sharing this wonderful movement with all those important people who have at least attained the first stage of being called God. You have done it. My heartiest congratulations to all those awardees today. Let me take this wonderful opportunity to extend my heartiest congratulations to all of you who are going to get your awards for the wonderful work, what you have contributed towards your own industry or towards social activities or towards actually creating a brand for yourself. Thank you very much.